Hi, my name is Christian Polo Flores, currently third year BSIT student. And for this activity, I redesigned the Instagram desktop login page. I choose this website because despite how popular Instagram is, the desktop login page looks outdated and uninspired. In just a plain black background with a small login form in the center. For first-time visitors, it doesn't reflect what Instagram is really about: visual content, creativity, and community. That's why I decided to give it a fresh, modern redesign that better represents the brand and improves that user experience. Here's what the original version looks like. As you can see, sir, it has a completely black background and very minimal login box. There's a lot of unused space, no image, no branding elements, nothing that grabs your attention. So sir, napaka-boring sir. It doesn't give a strong first impression and it doesn't feel welcoming, especially for new users who haven't created an account yet. It also doesn't highlight what makes Instagram exciting, which is the visual and the social aspects. So sir, ito yung original sir. So now let's walk you through the redesign I created using Adobe XD. Punta na tayo sir sa aking ginawa. Sir, una sir, pinalitan ko yung the background sir, pinalitan ko po with the Instagram signature gradient, a vibrant blend of pink, orange, and purple. This instantly brings more energy and makes the page feel on brand. I added a large Instagram logo sir, ito sir. On the left side to fill up the empty space and immediately establish brand recognition. The login box sir, ito po. Itong login box sir is now cleaner and more modern with rounded edges, soft shadows, and better spacing. I also made the text feels more readable. Ito sir. More readable and enlarge the login button so it's easier to see the click. I also redesigned the sign up section, making it more noticeable and visually inviting to encourage new users to register. Lastly, I modern readable fonts and created a better visual hierarchy so users know exactly where to look and what to do next. So conclusion sir, to sum it up, this redesign gives Instagram desktop login page a much needed visual upgraded. It now reflects Instagram vibrant and creative identity, provides a better user's experience, and creates more engaging and welcome first impression. Whether someone is log in or signing up for the first time, this version is more user-friendly and visual appealing, sir. Hindi na siya boring, sir. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po, sir.